What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to whiten your dingy and dirty white shoelaces. I've done a couple of videos of how to clean white shoes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily clean your white shoelaces. The first thing you want to do is just wash your shoelaces off with some hand soap or dish soap. We're going to scrub off as much dirt as we can. Then you will need a container to put your shoelaces in. So fill up your container with cold water. Make sure it's cold water, not hot, since hot can set in stains. Toss your shoelaces into the water. You will also need some bleach and pour the bleach into the water. Just a little bit. I honestly didn't measure it, but it's probably a couple tablespoons. You will also need a little bit of the original blue Tide and put that in there as well. I probably also just did a couple tablespoons, but the bluing agent in that helps counteract the yellowness and dinginess of whites. Then you want to give it a good mix. I recommend wearing gloves for this because you don't want to be getting bleach all over your hands. Then let your shoelaces sit for about an hour. After they've sat for an hour, it's time to rinse them off and wash them one more time. I'm just putting some dish soap on them so I can scrub out all of the bleach and everything. Make sure that you really rinse it out and wash it out pretty well because bleach can cause yellowing in the future. And that is how you get your shoelaces looking nice again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And if there's anything else you would like to see me clean, then leave some comments below. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!